these new brick floors, all these lines of dead and rusted. Fuck these folk, covers off, nobody needs this. If you like them, you're a dingus. Engine time, go! My ass is getting sore from sitting on this floor. I need my rubber mallet, so I asked the doctor, grab it, thanks. Carburetor looks so fresh and new. It fit nicely in the boot. Ooh, I love when the sparks hit my boobs. I fill the brake line up with flu. I use the hair dye bottle to do it. Spray the seat pan to glue it. The new seat cover